It's a beautiful morning and it's Rhapsody time. Now, I don't know how many of you thought that when we get to heaven, you're going to find three thrones. One for the Father, one for the Son, and one for the Holy Spirit. I, for one, thought so until the man of God explained. Now, how many more things have you been thinking a certain way that you'll find out that it's not so? Discover new mysteries, demystified in the Rhapsody Realities today. I want you to become a partner with the Rhapsody Realities today. Just go ahead and click on the link and sign up to become a partner, and you can help someone else get to know all the beautiful things in God's Word and also help with distributing by becoming a Rhapsody influencer. Remember, this is Rhapsody Clicks, and you're about to have a fantastic day. Your next level is only a click away. Just go ahead and click. See you tomorrow. Have a great day.